Good morning everyone, Bouncing Fig here. We're back in my hometown of Seremban, that's in Negeri Sembilan. I'm a little bit hungry and I want some breakfast. So I heard that Warung Bambam, which means basically a little hut, serves awesome Malay-style breakfast.
Kalau nak cuba sarapan ala-ala kampung style, bolehlah datang ke Warung Bambam Kampung Chedang. Lauk-lauk sampingan untuk nasi lemak. Menu-menu lain tu kita ambil makanan-makanan sarapan yang biasa kita boleh dapat seperti roti jala, roti kukus, nasi lemak.
So how do you cool down? Of course, you've got a lot of icy drinks to choose from, but the owner actually told me, let's try some pulled milk tea with a little bit of local honey. I am so excited to try that. So pulled tea is teh tarik. It's actually very famous. Malaysians love it, but this is sweetened with honey and milk. So let's give it a shot. It's pretty hot, so. Wow. Whoa. That is really creamy and sweet. So you might want to ask for less sugar, which is kurang manis, but this is good too, nice and creamy, and you can certainly taste the local honey, which is subtle. You can taste the kind of flowers that the bees eating around here, because it's certainly different than the honeys you get from overseas. And then we've got the famous roti jala. It's a very Malay-style breakfast dish, or you can even have it for tea. It is actually a crêpe, so a pancake. So I'm gonna grab one. Look at that. Look at that, how beautiful. And the color is very natural. You know that they've done it very well. So another one of the breakfast specials. Oh wow. That is amazing.
Okay, actually resipi-resipi Warung Bambam ni adalah resipi kita sendiri. Especially rempah ayam tu memang saya belajar daripada seorang kawan yang berketurunan mamak. Okay, kalau nampak ayam tu crispy macam mamak-mamak style kan.
So the special thing about the nasi lemak here at Warung Bambam is actually the fried chicken. It's fried until it's golden, and it's got bits and pieces of the flour, the sort of seasoned flour. So the sambal is very kampung style because it has slices of onions, and I remember growing up our sambals have slices of onions, so that's pretty signature kampung style, with a bit of egg, and you've got your cucumber and your peanuts. So let's see how lovely this chicken is, eh? Look at that. Look at how Look at how golden the chicken is. It's beautiful. I'm going to dip it in the sambal and eat it. Oh, it's hot. Oh God. Oh man. Okay. I know why they love the nasi lemak here, because the chicken is the bomb. It's crispy. You can hear it in your head. This is so nostalgic for me because nasi lemak coming from the kampung is extremely unique than the ones that you find in the city. I think because of the small batches that they do, but also the very fresh santan, which is actually coconut milk that they use. It is actually not processed or left for a very long time. So this is actually something that is really homemade. It is very subtle, not too salty, and you can taste the coconut milk, and I think that's beautiful. And with the homemade sambal, it really takes me back to the old days when my late grandmother used to make nasi lemak, or you used to buy it from a neighbor next door or on the side of the road.
Okey, saya jemput anda semua daripada mana saja anda berada. Kami di Warung Bambam, Kampung Chedang, menjemput anda datang ke warung kami. Kami buka daripada pukul 7 pagi sampai pukul 12 tengah hari. Setiap Jumaat sahaja kami tutup. Anda boleh singgah, jangan lupa.